In this video, I am going to show you how to change the vectors so that they cut out on the laser engraver. Right now I have my 12-point symmetry design, and the vectors are green. The laser is set to ignore the green vectors, and my design is black, which the laser engraver will just engrave, which means it's not going to cut through the wood, it's just going to burn the surface of the wood, and I want it to cut out the parts. I'm going to start by selecting those vectors and going over to the properties, and you can see under appearance that the fill is white and the stroke is black. The stroke is the outline of the shape, and we want to change that color to RGB red. To switch to RGB color mode, I'm going to turn this menu on, and down at the bottom choose RGB sliders. I'm going to turn the red all the way from 0 to 255 and leave the green and the blue at 0. I'm going to push the red stroke button to get that menu to go away. So RGB red, but I also need to change the stroke weight and make it very small. I'm in points, and so the laser engraver is going to look at the size of the stroke weight, and if it is 0.072 points, it's going to take that information and know that it needs to cut out those shapes. So make sure that the opacity hasn't moved, that it's at 100%. The stroke weight is 0.072, and the stroke color is RGB red, which is red 255, green 0, and blue 0. Then I can go ahead and export my drawing as an AI file by hitting the share button, choosing publish and export, social media, other formats. Quick export as AI. Save the files. Make sure it has a name with your name, initials, etc. Export it.